Alright guys, and you ladies, he, she's, whoever's. Hey, so check this out. This right here in front of us is a garbage can that apparently they're claiming they cannot get to because of snow and ice. So they did not dump it. So we're going to go take a picture of it real quick, and I'm going to just right here on video show that I can basically open this here. So, yeah, let's take a look at this real quick. So yeah, that is, yeah, I mean, I basically pulled up to it and opened the doors. So, they will now be paying for me to come over here, yeah, to to open the gates. The garbage folks basically claimed that they could not open the doors. So we're gonna go over, while we're here, we do another property across the street. We're gonna run over and check it out real quick. That one, to me, had a little bit more snow. Not really more snow, but the way the cars park makes it hard for me to get that one. So I don't know if maybe they mistook the address. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they mistook the address on there. My guess is that they're talking about this other property. But no, because they had the right address. I don't know, man. The same people dumped both properties, so either way, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you on video, so that I've got proof of that property. That's the property they sent me to, saying they could not get to the garbage. And this one here looks like it could potentially be the one. So I will remove the snow from this just in case. We will see what we can do here. But yeah, maybe this is the one they were talking about. But still, that fence broke. It was broke. But there was a truck. There was a truck parked back here off to the right, and I couldn't swing back to get right up there against that car. But we'll get that right now. Well, let's do it. I'm gonna push some of this snow back here. just push this whole pile back. Warmed my pile up a little bit the other day. So I'll get out with the shovel and kind of remove some of that stuff there. But the gate is definitely, hinge is broke. Ooh, it's just wanting to keep putting it right back into there. I can't go any higher than that, but it's wanting to suck my plow down. Oh yeah, look at that, we're making progress here, folks. Oh yeah. Alright, now they should have no excuse. Not to dump. Except for I will go shovel around the gate. what's up, my man? Hey, so I no, I didn't actually. I tried. Yeah, I tried. I had another property. I do another kind of commercial property that wanted some ice melt last night. But I was like, dude, I'll do it in the morning. So I was back up and at him at 4 o'clock this morning. So I was trying to sleep, but then when and then you had emailed about that, and I was like, I'll just do it after I sleep. But dude, I couldn't after that. I was like, what the hell? So here's the deal, though. It does. It does. Yes, it does. I don't envy you either, though. So I guess I guess that's good that we both have the jobs that we do.